Alright, so as you can see, this is the home screen of the new Windows 11 operating system, and it looks a lot more modern when compared to Windows 10. And as you can see now, you have a centered icons on the taskbar right here. I'm pretty sure you can still put it all the way to the left. And here you have your start menu, a lot simpler. There is no more dynamic tiles here, which I don't really mind. When you launch your start menu, you have a search bar on top, and then you have your pinned icons right here, your apps, and then you have all apps right here if you want to scroll through all your apps. And then you have a recommended or recently used tab at the bottom right here. And now you have your Windows profile, and then you have the controls to sleep shutdown or restart. I like this so far. It's a lot simpler and more polished. And then you also have a dedicated search icon right here, and from here you can also access your control panel. You have your widgets, and now Microsoft Teams is built into Windows 11. Not sure how that's gonna compare to Zoom and or Skype, but we will see. File Explorer. Now you will notice right away that the icons are different. They have redesigned the icons, which I like a lot better. And you can switch the view mode right up top. Not bad. It feels a lot smoother and snappier when compared to Windows 10. I'm also a fan of the rounded corners. Now all the apps will have rounded corners, which I like. You right click on your desktop gives you this menu. Now you have an icon for your paste selection, and then a view to quickly arrange your icons on the desktop. You have more options at the bottom, which is gonna take you to the older version that we had on Windows 10. And then on the far right, now you have to click the connection and speaker options to get to your quick toggle menus, your control center. You control your connections, screen brightness, volume. It looks a lot smoother, and from here you can access all settings. Now if you click on the time and date, now you only have your calendar. That is a wasted functionality if you ask me. Let's head to your settings, options on top, the name of the computer that you can rename here. First, your display settings. On storage, you have a couple of changes. This will go ahead and scan your computer and help you manage your space, clean up your temporary files, or you can expand it by pressing show more categories. And as you can see, this is a whole breakdown of your computer. Here you can also access this by right clicking on the desktop, just like on Windows 10, and personalize. So let's see the colors we have now. Alright, so apparently now you have to activate Windows before you can personalize it. Internet Explorer is now gone forever. Now it only comes with Microsoft Edge. I don't think somebody will miss Internet Explorer, but in case you need it, you can still install it. I bet you won't. Alright, and you also have a redesigned Microsoft Store. I've also read somewhere that you will have support for Android apps. We will see how that's gonna go. It's pretty cool to be able to run Android apps straight from your Windows computer. Your multitasking icon. Now it's very cool to manage your multitasking windows. It's really cool. You can create desktops, and also when you hover your mouse on the expansion windows, you will have presets of multitasking windows, and you can quickly select where you want to pin it to, as you can see here. That's a lot more intuitive than what you had in Windows 10. Alright, so I just activated Windows 11. Now let's go ahead and see what type of personalization we have. As you can see, you have 6 themes that you can quickly select. Like these themes. You can go with this, you can go with... They really included pretty looking themes this time. They look good. You see that? It's nicely polished. One thing, this is not dark mode, so some windows will still pop up in light mode for some reason, even though I've selected dark mode. So it's probably going to be fixed through updates. So right clicking on your start menu icon still shows you your quick menu, and nothing has changed here. Disk management is still the same, as you can see. And also Windows Explorer is still not considered an app, but instead a system program, and it won't appear on the reduced version of the task manager. And when it freezes, sometimes you have to expand it and go through the whole list so you can kill it or restart it, which is very annoying. I would have preferred that Microsoft included right here so you can appear here as an open program so you can kill it easily over here, but somehow it's still the same as in Windows 10. This glitch is probably gonna be gone soon through software update, but when you right click on the desktop, it appears a lot wider and then it shrinks to a smaller menu, as you can see. Windows security is still the same chip, so you want to make sure you get yourself a good antivirus. You can't rely on this thing. So yeah, as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and rock with this for some time, and I will be making a follow-up video on this. If there is any complaints, any changes, or any good news, I will let you guys know. So subscribe and stay tuned for the follow-up. Thank you for watching and see you around.